Keisha. Welcome back. I am getting started today with, it's kind of late in the morning, but I slept in today, have my coffee, just been relaxing with the family, and now I'm getting ready for the day. But before I put my new clothes on, I wanted to just kind of show you what I bought while we were in Fairbanks last weekend. We had to stop by Torrid because, you know, when you go to town, you always got to go shopping just a little bit. It was so warm and sunny there that I just felt like I needed to do a little bit of spring shopping. I just got a couple of pieces because, you know, I'm not trying to buy a whole new wardrobe when I really haven't lost any weight. But I had to get a couple of new things for summertime. So, you know, I wear leggings, so I got this really cute, like, plaid. It's multicolored, very cute plaid leggings. So that's that one. I got this really pretty, just summery yellow top. I don't know what it was about this yellow color, but it just was calling to me. So we'll see. Might need to get a tan to wear this thing. And then some brown leggings to go with that. And then today I'm going to wear my other top. Very springy, summery. A nice little green with pink flowers and yellow flowers. So there's that one. And I'm going to wear, with that one, I got some blue leggings. So that's my little Torrid haul. Most of my basic clothes come from Torrid. That's just my favorite place to shop. I like shopping online there. I like going to the store. So then we're going to go out to lunch today. So with the whole family, the guys went fishing today, so the guys won't be with us. But mom-in-law, couple of daughters, couple of grandkids, so nice big party for lunch today. Let me get dressed and do this, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Do you like a straw? I like that. Would you like a straw?
Are we just vibing, Hunter?
Yeah, just vibing.
Where'd my mom go? It's over here.
Angela, call 1304, please. Angela, call.
Employee to get you to buy it. She goes, all the toothpaste are the same. Do you think Diet Cherry Pepsi is good? Now, where should we go to? Let's go to, oh, I came in here for Bloody Mary mix. Right here. Bold and spicy or original? Which one's better? I need Tabasco. Stuff in it, but no wheat. Very plain and vegetable. I'm just... Oh, ladies. Bagels? Bagels? Bagels. Flavored, I think, yeah. Boom berry. Yeah, I don't want berry. Yeah, these are just what should be down here. Tabasco. I got orange juice, I got diet soda, I got creamer, I got chicken nuggets, I got mayonnaise, I got gravy. All I need is some Tabasco. Why am I not seeing Tabasco? Oh, okay, right here.
Some roses for our Mother's Day table.
Aww.
So I got some roses and I had them put 2 more in there because it was only 2 roses.
I'm gonna face to the sun. We are walking this way. The guys are in from their fishing trip, so we're gonna go check it out and see what kind of fish they got. All right, but I gotta turn around because this is dangerous. I'm walking backwards here. But beautiful day. I'll just give you a little little beautiful day down at the waterfront.
Mama, would they like measure all the fish right here? Yeah. Where are they?
Come on, I'll take a picture.
Oh.
See the eagle.
Mm-hmm. Trying to get out of the way of the camera. Are you guys super excited? They're back from fishing.
Where? Hey, Papa!
You got trash duty?
Yeah, I got the garbage.
Where's that? Oh, you got the fish? Where's all the fish?
Wow, I love that orange fish.
Good. Cool.
I could see like there's
All right,
12.
move it.
Here, boys. Mama,
Get in there.
Mother's Day.
I couldn't get that to open for me yesterday. How did you do that?
Oh, play outside.
Mother's Day eyelashes.
That would last for 6 months, and this way
look at I drew.
I can go and
Look
not.
at those lashes.
You drew me a shark?
Mother's Day brunch.
Wonderful, awesome job, guys. I really appreciate it. Really good.
Supposed to know how many lemons she's supposed to be doing.
Oh, they only call for the zest of 1 lemon.
Oh.
Let's do 2.
So yeah, do 2.
And then it calls for a specific amount of.
It's squishy. It's just really ripe. Very. The zest will be fine.
Yeah,
The zest will be
fine.
lemony.
I knew they were really ripe when I bought them.
Yeah.
They were really ripe.
All right.
And see?
Is this just a white cake?
Yeah, that's a white cake, and there's
Nice.
the lemon curd.
curd. Delicious. I'm so excited. We have Mother's Day cake in the making. We're getting closer to dinner being ready. Here's salad.
It's like a punched.
Leftover mac salad. Some meat that's resting. The cake is going to be frosted in messy kitchen. So that's usual.
A lot.
Lots of booze bottles, messy kitchen. That's usual.
Da, da, da,
Yeah.
da, da, da.
I know, I just took a picture of your feet. It's so funny. Okay. Ah, beautiful.
In fact, actually, that's ready to come
That's,
out.
yeah, I was going to say, that looks ready.
Yeah.
Spaghetti.
It'll be ready.
Beautiful Mother's Day lemon meringue cake.
Lemon meringue cake. You'll be done.
Delish. Happy Mother's Day. Lemon meringue cake from scratch. So delicious. Oh, here, let me get some of this on there.
It's delicious.
Oh, so good. It's still like a little bit warm.
Would say it's
So
hers,
yum.
But I invented it.
That's right. It was the birth of Walker.
If you like lemon
Talk
meringue,
about
the best.
smell-o-vision. This is eat-o-vision.
You need to not just smell it, you need to taste it. It's so good.
Oh, how do you cut this? Cut you a piece? Or are you just going to take the half? Go ahead, take the half.
It has been a fantastic, wonderful, delicious, relaxing, awesome Mother's Day. And this cake behind me was delicious, fantastic, that my dad and Hunter made. And thank you so much to them for making it, and thank you to everyone who contributed to our Mother's Day feast today. I really, really loved it. It was such a wonderful, relaxing day visiting with the family and hanging out. So with that, I will close out this video and say goodbye. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!